Do you have a specific person that, well, you'd love to hear them say certain things, maybe words of affection or words of commitment or even a marriage proposal? You'd like to hear them say certain things, but they don't do it. This video changes that. With the mind transmission technique I'm going to share with you, you're literally going to have your specific person speaking the words to you that you desire to hear most. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. We're always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. Well, I'm looking over here at my calendar and the days are ticking down. The days are ticking down to December 19th. A very powerful day, the eve of the winter solstice. And a few of you, a handful of you, are going to join me on that day for 2 hours. 2 hours on a live Zoom call. And we're going to do some incredible things, but mostly I'm going to manifest for you. I'm going to help you get the money you desire, the love you crave, the health and happiness you depend on and deserve. Now, I've helped people all over the world. We've done this for 3 years in a row on the winter solstice. And we've seen miracle after miracle after miracle. You're going to see results. You're going to see a miracle take place in your life within 30 days. I promise. So, high flyers, all you need to do is visit iwillmanifestforyou.com. iwillmanifestforyou.com and take the time to read the information. Get an idea of what's going to happen on the 19th, and then don't delay. We're already 84% filled up, and we're filling up fast. iwillmanifestforyou.com. If you're hearing this message, chances are you're being called to have a miracle take place in your life. The truth is, high flyers, your SP will say whatever you want to hear. The key is to learn to speak to their subconscious mind. You see, most of the time we're focusing on the conscious, on the 3D. But when we start to focus on the subconscious, all kinds of incredible things begin to take place. Everything in the universe is energy, including thoughts and including words. Your mind is a transmitter and a receiver, and so is the mind of your specific person. And you have the availability and the power to transmit a certain vibration or frequency that will have them literally speaking the words that you desire to hear. You see, you and your specific person, you share an energetic thread. You share this connection that's a little bit deeper than, say, with a stranger. Now, we are all interconnected together, but you have a stronger connection with your specific person, if for no other reason than you desire this person. So their behavior, their words, how they treat you, how they call you, how often they call, how often they text, whether they want to get married, whether they're open to commitment, is really a result of your frequency, your constant frequency that they are receiving. And so if you're not getting what you want to hear, we've got to change stations. We've got to change frequencies. So when you constantly are saying, look, if they cared for me, they would call me. Or he doesn't care for me because I haven't heard from him in 2 weeks. That's the vibration that you're sending out. But listen, if you're sending out a frequency or a vibration or a transmission that says, They love calling me. They love texting me. They love the idea of commitment. They love the idea of marriage. They love the idea of having a family. No matter how stubborn they are, eventually they will begin to speak those words. Are you ready to do the mind transmission technique? We're only going to take a few minutes to do it, but it really works. So let's do it right now. So what I'd like you to do is find a quiet spot, make sure you're not driving, and just join me. Just close your eyes. Take that deep breath. Allow your body to relax. Take a slow, deep, relaxing breath. In through your nose. Out through your mouth. Keep your eyes closed. You might want to even kind of bend your head forward and just let it relax. You don't need to force anything. Just allow yourself to feel still. Now, as you breathe, imagine a soft golden light surrounding your body. This is your transmission field. It's your energetic amplifier. Bring that golden light around your body. Make it strong. Now imagine your SP, your specific person. Maybe you see their face. Maybe you smell their scent. Maybe you just feel their energy. Don't think of them as separate or distant. Imagine that their energy field is right next to yours, and it's softly blending with your energy field. The two of you are connected, and the connection is growing stronger. In your mind, just simply say their name once. Then imagine a beam of golden light connecting your heart to their heart. From your heart, silently transmit the message you want them to hear, not in a needy or controlling way, but with confidence and love. Say something like, "You love talking to me. You feel calm, safe, and excited when we connect. You can't stop thinking about how much you care about me." The exact words don't matter as much as the feeling. Feel it as if it's true, because it is. If you can feel that, they're already beginning to say it. That's when the mind transmission lands. That's when the two of you really connect. Now here's the secret. It's not about forcing your SP to say anything. It's about aligning yourself with the version of them that already feels that way. You're not convincing them. You're tuning into a reality where that energy exchange already exists. Emotion is the transmitter. Belief is the frequency stabilizer. Feel your golden aura integrated with theirs. Continue to send them positive thoughts about how they love to speak the words of commitment, of forever, of marriage, of family, whatever it is you'd like to hear most. Now, just take a deep breath. And whenever you're ready, you can open your eyes. High flyers, it only takes about 2 minutes of this visualization, this deep breathing, to create the connection. You don't have to do anything else. You don't have to try so hard. I want you to write down below. Right now, it is done. It is done. What is done? What is done is that you have stepped into a new reality where the two of you are deeply in love, have incredible communication, and are going forward with your relationship. And then just simply let it go. Stop thinking about it. Stop worrying about it. Stop wondering about it. Let it go. Now, if you feel like you're getting stuck, like, you're connecting and maybe things get better for a while, but then you get stuck, I want to urge you, if you're in that position, to join me on the 19th, December 19th, the eve of the winter solstice. Visit this website right now, iwillmanifestforyou.com, and join me for 2 hours along with my manifesting team. And we will get there, because trust me, I'm not stuck when it comes to you being with the love that you desire. That's my desire too. Have a great day, because you absolutely deserve it. I love you, and watch this next video.